Hi, this is Pranav Kongara here to present a research topic on data-driven probabilistic modeling and verification of human driver behavior, which is written by D. Sadiq K. Driggs Campbell. In the past decade, there have been over thousands of accidents in vehicles in the United States alone, and the most common cause of road accidents in the United States is distracted driving, resulting in more crashes every year than speeding, drunk driving. Distracted driving is not only the leading cause of car accidents, but it is also true for other heavy vehicles like trucks. It is difficult to prevent such accidents since of unpredictability. Predicting drivers' behavior can be one of the difficult tasks since each person has its own behavior and the way he drives, and the way one reacts changes drastically from person to person. Hence, we cannot set a preset of solutions which can be triggered when a certain thing happens. The unpredictability factor makes it really hard to develop a solution. The current solution to this problem is to perform braking maneuvers if a collision is predicted. But if there is another vehicle behind this, the sudden braking might cause a collision with the previous one. Hence, this is not an effective solution. The new approach uses a car simulator to collect data of steering maneuvers for a given individual. For each environment and the state of the driver, the model predicts a set of trajectories for the subsequent time interval based on the empirical observations of the past behavior. These predictions are then used as the transition probabilities within the driver model. Hence, if a deviation is detected, it will alert the driver or take the control to lane shift. The driver may get distracted while driving, like getting a mobile call or falling asleep. Our aim is to detect and prevent from causing accidents due to such a distraction. Our solution is to first analyze when the driver gets distracted and to detect and to prevent from the driver to get distracted. And we solve it by developing a novel probabilistic driver model that predicts the driver trajectories using a convex MC model. We then verify the logical properties of the Markovian chain model of the driver expressed in probabilistic computation tree logic. The main focus is to quantify the effects of different attention levels on the quality of driving by formally analyzing the behavior of the driver while they are either being attentive or distracted. And using this information, we can alert the driver when he is about to get distracted. Modeling of the driver behavior, our main goal is to give an accurate prediction of the future trajectories of a car over a long time. The state of the driver is considered to increase the accuracy of the prediction. Data is gathered from multiple drivers in order to create an individualized driver models that are generated from the simulation environment. Once the predictive model is created, time and space are discreted to form a discrete time complex Markov chain and to quantitatively analyze the properties of the model. Let's see an experimental setup. We start collecting data from a car simulator which is sampled for every 30 milliseconds. In order to receive these unknown modes without any unnecessary assumptions, the data is clustered using K-means algorithm, which allows the flexibility in determining the modes in unsupervised manner. In the setup presented, the clusters or modes are created from the following datasets. The driver pose. This contains the past 2 seconds of the skeleton data, specifically the positions of the wrist, elbow and shoulder joints. The second is environment estimation. This contains a feature vector for the future 4 seconds of the outside environment, which includes the road turns, curvature, the location of the obstacles, and the deviation from the center lane. Once the data has been clustered into modes, the prediction of the driver steering angle inputs associated with each mode for the next 1.2 seconds will be formulated. We can see the possible turnings which are given in the picture. To implement the model, we have used the standard car simulation software and the Microsoft Kinect to observe the driver pose in real time. This experiment is done by inducing disturbances like forcing a user to attend a phone call. Stochastic modeling. Given a confidence level in the measurements and an empirical probability of P0, we compute the transition probability interval. From the previous trajectory set, we now have formed the transition probability intervals by taking the confidence level to be 0.95, that is 95%. Here the S0 is the center lane, the S1 is the curb side which is unsafe, and the S2 is right lane and the S3 is the left lane. Formal verification of the driver model. For each property, we consider both the attention levels, is he attentive or distracted, and compute both the maximum and the minimum satisfaction probabilities to give the range of predictions obtained from the model. The property P1 computes the probability of reaching an unsafe state. The property P2 computes the probability of reaching the final state without change in direction. P3 computes by always staying on the right lane, and P4 computes without braking. We can conclude by saying that the modeling and the verification techniques introduced in this paper apply also to human-machine systems in the broader set of domains, including avionics and medicine. Thank you.